Welcome back, another video, back out in the woods. Steve's with me today, he's come down.
Come down to 1066 country.
He has, all the way from, was it Southampton way, isn't it?
Yeah, near there.
Yeah, he doesn't come down often, so yeah, but we are all set up. As you can see, Steve is sleeping on the floor like a peasant tonight.
I'm going to end up in a drink later. I'm going to roll down the hill there.
Yeah, he will. We're camping next to the stream. Ain't going to bother me about the bugs because I'm in the hammock, as you know, and I've got a bug net. Steve hasn't. Unlucky.
I'll be alright.
He's going to wake up in the morning looking like he's got the plague.
A giant wart.
Look, they're buzzing around already. I can see them on the screen. Maybe it was a mistake camping near this little stream, but it's different. And
Be alright until we get the bonfire going.
Fire! But yeah, so we're going to chill out for a bit. We're going to get some firewood and then
Chill some more.
chill some more. Oh, and I've got a bit of kit I'm going to show you in a bit as well that a company sent me, which you'll probably find very interesting, and it's very affordable as well. So but yeah, catch you in a bit. Ta-ra!
Bye bye.
Well, the new bit of kit I've got, I've been kindly sent out one of these by a company called Some Blesser. Now this is really, I've used this a few times, and I've got to say I'm really happy with this head torch. It's great actually. I'm really happy with it. Really lightweight. Honestly, half the time I don't even notice it's on my head. It's fantastic. Fully rechargeable. So this comes with a number of light settings on it actually. So we've got a red, so on high red it will last 8 hours. Low green, 30 hours. High green, 6 hours. Low white light, it will last 30 hours. And on high white light, it will last 6 hours. So it's not bad. You get quite a lot of time out of it. I've used it on a couple of camps and I haven't had to recharge this yet. The only time I charged it up was when I first got it. So it's been doing really well. I'm really pleased with this. It's actually, the brightness on the settings are, you don't need any more, you know. It's a bright little torch. Really bright little torch. You've probably seen it in a couple of my videos. Normally wear it on my hat like that a lot of the time. Comes in this great little zip up hard case. Comes with a cable for charging as well, which I think that's a good little addition, a hard case. You can't accidentally turn this on because it has a lock feature, so you hold the two buttons at the top down at the same time. The light will flash red and then you can turn it on. There's the red setting, the white light setting, brighter white setting, red again, and then we got so this is quite a bright little torch, head torch. Very impressed with it. Very inexpensive as well. I will leave a link in the description to Some Blesser, so you can go check them out and get one. They do a variety of other products as well. So if you fancy something else that they do, you can check them out as well. But yeah, that's the head torch. It's great. I love it. It's fantastic. No, but in all seriousness, it is a very good little head torch. Very lightweight. Go check out the link in the description. Go grab yourself one. I'm very impressed with it. I highly recommend it. Right, so that's enough head torch shenanigans. I've got hit in the face with a... I hit myself in the face with a stick. Right, so that's enough head torch shenanigans. Time to get firewood. So I'm going to go off into the pines behind me, as you can see there, and get some kindling. Be nice and dry in here. We've had a lot of rain lately, but it's still really dry in the pines. So, yep, we're going to do that. Let's do that. Let's get kindling. Right, okay. Here's some kindling. This to do. So tonight for our fire, so we don't leave a fire scar on the ground, because we're getting into the warmer weather, we are just going to use my little portable fire pit. You've seen this a few times in videos. Great bit of kit. So yeah, that's what we're going to use.
Six and a half hours later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
If you like exercise, get a Laplander. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Actually, I'll leave it like that, I think.
So, as you can see, we have gathered some firewood. Not a lot. We haven't gathered a lot yet, have we?
Nah.
But we're getting there.
I'm regretting my purchase now.
But now it's time for a drinky poos. Captain Morgan. Cheers, everyone. Yeah. So, what is it you've got in there, Steve?
Well, it's Jack Daniels and Coke. So instead of buying all the little mini cans, I just bought a small bottle and decanted it. So that's between. So I got
1, 2.
So I got 2 of them. I'm not an alcoholic whatsoever.
I'm not an alcoholic, I promise. Down it, down it, down it.
I'll be down the ditch. Give me a minute.
Cheers, Steve. Oh. Peaceful.
So you want, innit?
Yeah. Oh, we've decided we're going to get the fire going. Nothing too bushcrafty. Just a lighter and a bit of cotton wool.
Sometimes it's the best way, isn't it?
Does the job, doesn't it? Does the job.
That'll do.
it's that time at the Big Brother camp, dinner time. I've gone really simple today. I'm just having one of these. Mexican chili con carne, dehydrated meal, simple.
Why not?
And Mr. Steve has got...
I've got shameless plug, the steak detective beef
Oh
chili.
yes, he's got my mate
So-
Steve's beef chili.
I'm giving it a go, Steve. I'll let you know what I think.
They're fantastic.
Thank you for the letter as well. That was really cool. The little World War II touch.
Yeah. But the
Oh,
telegram.
chaps.
It's brilliant. But yeah, that's our dinners for tonight.
It stay.
Well, that's what it looks like. Mmm, yummy. Just got to add the water to it and leave it for 6 to 8 minutes. Right, I'm going to do that. Chat to you in a bit. My dinner's cooked. Don't look bad.
Yeah, it looks alright actually, doesn't it?
Don't look bad at all, but what does it taste like? Right. I'd eat it again. Definitely. 100%. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this. Get back to you in a bit. Hope it don't give me the runs. So me and Steve have just discovered a little nest in this tree. It's got some little baby chicks in there. You should be able to hear them chirping. Ooh. Mummy bird just flew out. Yeah, you should be able to hear them just chirping away. Right, so as you would have seen from a bit of footage, I just got the mummy bird coming out of this hole here. That's where it was. There's the little hole where my finger is. It's down in there. It's right in between where we're camping. We didn't realise when we set up. So there's, I don't know if you can see, there's Steve's bivvy. And my hammock's just over there. But yeah, that's the tree of where the mummy bird come out. Just in that hole there. I was just filming the chicks making like their noises and what have you. Hold on, I'm getting attacked by a thing, or a twig. Yeah, I was just filming the chicks, you know, making their noise and that in the hole, and didn't even realise the mother bird was in there, and yeah, she just flew out. It's brilliant.
Jammy, that's what that was. Proper jammy. And we had, you said about the owl.
Oh yeah,
We had the owl come over.
and I was called, you know,
Mark was going twit to woo, and it come over.
and, yeah, I was just mimicking an owl.
He was sending out the one night stand call, and it come over. It was like, oh, I'm ready, and it went, oh shit, it's Mark.
I am the owl whisperer. We heard this owl, you know, and so I mimicked it, and we're sat there by the fire.
Quite early though.
There's our chairs, and the owl literally come and sat in this tree right next to us, and then clocked we were human and flew off. But yeah, so I'm the owl whisperer now,
That's it.
and Steve is really jealous.
Oh, I'm jealous. It's got all the good footage. I got all the crap footage.
But our dinner was good.
Yeah, we both had chili basically, didn't we?
Yeah, what did you think of yours?
Mine was good, yeah.
Yeah.
As I got more into it, I could do with one little suggestion is maybe put a bit of rice with it. That would bulk it up a little bit, but as it is, good meal, decent meal, definitely worth the money. Filled me up.
And it's going to make you poo
in
in the morning.
I just like
It's
rice.
chilly.
Just like rice
Just
with it.
like rice. He wants rice. But yeah, so we're having a good evening. We're just chilling by the fire, calling over wildlife.
Terrorising wildlife.
But we're gonna leave them chicks be now because we don't want to stress them out. You know, we've got a great bit of footage, and I got their little noises they were making, so that's brilliant. Look at our colourful flames. Steve's just putting some of
I'll just weed on the fire.
magical fire stuff. So all the flames are going, all different colours. That's awesome.
Smurf pea.
So, hot chocolate for tonight. Galaxy. Very nice. I do like a good Galaxy hot chocolate. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Galaxy. Yummy. My hot chocolate. Now, the sachet was quite large and my cup is quite small, so it's going to be a very chocolatey hot chocolate. Oh, that is very chocolatey, Steve.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. By God, it's good.
It's a bit like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, you know, when he's like the German kid wants the chocolate out of the water.
Gustav, is that his name?
Yeah, he's like
Gustav.
It's very chocolatey.
Grandpa, look at Augustus.
Don't worry, he can't drink it all.
What's the chocolate?
What's the chocolate? It is very chocolatey. I wish I'd bought some of them little mini marshmallows to put in it, because that would have been cool. But yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, also, some bless a head torch. Rocking the red light at the moment.
It's quite small, isn't it? He's got a moth.
Go away, moth.
Moth.
Tackle the moths. Link in the description. Go check them out. Go buy yourself one before they're all gone. Because they're very affordable for what they are. They're awesome. But yeah. Cheers, everyone. Hot chocolate. If I don't do any more filming tonight, which I might do, I might not. I'll see you in the morning if I don't. Yeah.
Tally-ho.
Oh, that's so chocolatey. Good morning, Vietnam! What a beautiful morning it is here in camp. Sun's out. I slept like a baby. Oh, slept so well. Steve did not. Turns out he was on a slight slope all night, so we had to move his bed. Oh dear. But there's been activity at the hole in the tree behind me. Mummy and Daddy Bird have been flying in and out all morning since we woke up, giving their babies food. There's Steve.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you didn't sleep well, did you?
Nah, absolutely. On a slight slope going down to the river.
At least you didn't roll into the stream.
And every so often I'd wake up and I'd be like, oh, I've gone another inch. Oh, and then another inch. And then I woke up and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to disappear in a minute. So I just pulled it out and ended up just sleeping in front of my tarp, which worked. Luckily, it's not raining. But yeah, bit of a soggy bivvy bag. Don't know if it's the bivvy bag or just me.
Alright, it's just you. But we're going to get a little fire going, have some coffee, have a bit of breakfast. Oh, what a nice morning. See you in a bit. Ta-ra. There we go. Fire is going. Kettle is on. Coffee time. How was your muesli, Steve?
Le chocolat.
Chocolate.
It's
Is it
alright.
alright?
From Decathlon.
Yeah.
Only had to put a little bit of water in. I think it is 100 millilitres, as it states on there. But you can't find out anything on it because there's no English on it. It's literally every other language but English.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, I've took it to about 5 camps. Finally decided to eat it, so it's all right. That's the job, I think.
Yeah.
It's very chocolatey. If you're into your chocolate, there's tons of it. I don't think I'll get it again though.
No?
Nah.
Oh well, enjoy. Well, that's it. Another camp's over. It's been a good one though, isn't it, Steve?
Yeah, it's been a good laugh.
It's been a good one. Steve didn't have a poo in the woods.
Nope, none of us had a poo in the
No,
woods.
none of us pooed in the woods. But yeah, thanks for coming, Steve.
Right, mate. Any pleasure coming down again?
Yeah, you've got about a 3-hour drive now back home.
About 2 hours. It's not too bad.
I feel for you.
As long as there's no crashes or anything like that, I'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll be alright. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra!
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Right, time to go home.